Hello there, you wee willy winkies. Happy Thursday. We have a cool number for our typewriter series today. 444. 444. And as such, here's your wee salmon-colored paper. Looks like that. It's pretty close to the... No. My shirt is just pink. A delightful shade, might I add. I like this poem. It's universal. And I think you'll agree. Here we go. How unique to this human experience that we all just wish to be the most important thing on earth to someone else. I think that's what we spend most of our life doing, finding our most important and trying to become the most important, which is pretty cool. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. I'll see you tomorrow.